Alright guys, so in this one we are going to make a checkout functionality with the orders and payments. Okay, so first of all we need to make a checkout button to be working. Okay, so for that we need to make a checkout URL. Okay, so once we are in the checkout page, we will be having so actually the checkout page will be a kind of the same cart page, but instead of these buttons and plus and minus, we will be showing the review of the products on the right side, and left on the left side we will be having a billing address section. Okay, so that the user can enter his billing address and then proceed with the payments. Okay, so let's first go ahead and create a URL for this checkout. Close all the tabs first. Okay, so in the cards, okay, I'll go to the cards, and here I'll just make a new path checkout, and then views dot checkout, and the name will also be checkout. All right, let's make a function for this checkout first. Define checkout, the request, and return render request, comma request, comma store slash checkout.html. Okay, so let's quickly make one template for this. In the store, create a file checkout.html, say h2 check to see if this URL is working. Okay, if I go to the checkout, I think my server is stopped. All right, yeah, make sure you are inside the virtual environment, and then just say Python manage.py run server. This is working now. So first of all, what we'll do, we'll just go ahead and copy the cart code here. Okay, because it will be similar to the cart page only. So I'll just copy all the codes from the cart.html and paste it inside the checkout.html. Okay, so first thing, we don't need this if conditions. Okay, I'll remove this, and I think this is a table from the left side. Let's keep it there for now, and I think also move this and if. Okay, so let's go ahead and refresh, and now this is like a cart page only. We'll modify this according to what we need for the checkout. Okay, so first of all, I don't need this table in the left side. Okay, so instead of what we need a form. Okay, a form. So first we'll go to, we'll make this 6 column LG6. In here also aside 6. Okay, so that now this is half width. Okay, now we first get rid of all these things. Okay, so let it be card and let it be card body, but I don't need this much from here to here. I mean to here, I don't need. So now don't have all those things. So instead of this checkout, I'll say place order, and this is the right side now. So I'll just copy the table. Okay, the whole table I just cut it from here, cut it here, let me put it here. Okay, so this table is now here. So in this place we'll make a billing form. Okay, so for the form, what I'll do here, yeah, inside the card I'll do div with the class of card body. Okay, so I'll say 4 with the billing address. So for class, say card title margin bottom 4. So now I have this billing address like this. Now for this h4 I'll open a form, then a div with the form row. Okay, div with the class of form row. Inside this again a div class column and another class form group. So this is just a Bootstrap class. Okay, don't worry if you don't know Bootstrap. And let's say a label, this is first name, the input type text, name will be first underscore name. So I need a ID, I need a class equal to form control. Okay, so this will be a required field. Alright, so now I'll just refresh. Yeah, we have the first name field now. Okay, so I need a first name here, last name here. Okay, so like this I'll do. So I'll just copy this form group and paste it here. This is last name and the name will be changed last name. Okay, now I have this first name and last name. So similarly I'll do other fields also. Now I'll copy this and paste it here. So I need email and type will be email and the name will also be email and this is phone number and the name will be phone. One more for the address. Okay, what I'll do, I'll just make a address line 1 and address line 2. Okay, so address line 1, address underscore line underscore 1. So this is now text line 2. Alright, so address line 2 will not be required. Okay, that is optional. And what else I need? Okay, I'll need another one for the city and state. Okay, so now city, state, I'll put one more, maybe country. Okay, if you want you can put country. Okay, because this is a just country. So So the name will change here. Okay, country. If you want to make a drop down list of country, you can make a select box like this. Okay, so I don't want to make it now, so let it be like this for now. And I'll add one more row. Okay, so div with the class of form row. I'll label is for order note. Okay, so then this text area, the text area, this will be order underscore note push to. So this is optional, and the state is required, country is also required. Okay, now I refresh it. Okay, so I'll fix this. I'll give a class of form control. Okay, I need to bring it down here. Okay, this is ending here, and this closing div will be, we should go to here. Okay, so now it should be fine. Alright, so we have first name, last name, email, phone number, one address, two, city, state, country, and all this order note. Okay, so this will be our submit button. Okay, once we click on this place order button, we will be storing all his information. So in this place, we are going to actually show him the overview of what he is going to purchase. Okay, so this will be actually the a list of cart items. Okay, so which is very easy. We go to cart / checkout. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll go to the checkout view. Okay, I'll go to checkout view, and the inside this cart we have this code, right? So I will just copy all these checkout cart code and paste it inside here. Okay, so and send this data inside the checkout.html. okay, so all the data will be available here. Now if I refresh, total reference assignment, let me quickly see. Okay, so we need to initialize all these values. Okay, so as you can see in the cart, we are initializing total, quantity, and cart items none, right? Same way we'll initialize it. Now to refresh, we have all the cart items. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll get rid of these buttons and remove button also. I'll just keep it very simple. Okay, so go to this first of all, I'll remove this button inside the checkout.html. so this is the one, right? Move cart item. Okay, so I'll get rid of this td, and same way in the th also, I don't need this. Okay, now there is no remove button. Okay, so I don't need this plus and minus from here also. This is the column. Yes, so we have the td. What I'll do, instead of all those plus and minus button, I'll just say label cart. This is inside a cart item, right? Cart item dot quantity. Okay, so this is how it looks, and this is actually dynamic. Okay, so currently we have only one cart item, so that's why it is showing 1, and if I have 2, 3, then I go to checkout. Okay, so this checkout is not working yet, so now we have 3 quantity. Okay, so the same way I'll just fix this one. Okay, this checkout. go to the cart.html. Let's find out where this checkout is. Here it is. URL space checkout. Okay, so now this is going to checkout. All right, so let me add one more product here. I'll go to checkout. Yeah, now this is also working. All right, the next thing is, see what is happening here. When you go to sign in, okay, so login. All right, I think this is the wrong password. All right, and now you can see whatever the cart item we added in the while we were logged out, so that we just lost it, right? So that is the problem now. See, you got me. So what I'm telling you, see, let me show you this again. So what I'm saying, so see, we are, notice here we are not logged in yet. Okay, so now I'm adding 1 or 2 3 products to the cart. Okay, so we have added two product to the cart. Okay, so what I am planning to do is I am just making this button to force the user to log in before you purchase anything. So let's say if I log in from here, so we have the cart, two cart items, but if I log in, then we don't have any cart item. The cart item which we added, that we just lost it, right? So we want to handle that situation as also. See, because when I add all these products, and then when I go to the login, then those products should be assigned to that logged in users. Okay, so that's what we are going to do in the next one. All right, thank you.